For sure there was 4. Fucking shit. Hey, what's up, Quick? They about to push you, Higgs. Take that shock out of there.
I'll dip if I were you.
What the?
Try finding no bread.
There you go.
Yeah. I don't know. Well, next couple of people. I don't think we could tell you.
Oh, the guy's coming.
What? I can't reboot here?
There it is.
Did you shoot over here? I was rebooting over here, that's why.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah, you should be good now. They started rushing me.
Yeah, it looks like they're pushing you guys now.
Oh, they pushing me fucking hard, dude. They about to fuck me up.
Get out of here, Esteban. Let's move.
I'm not in. That's Jules.
Oh, okay. Where's your fucking card?
It's on the island. Don't even worry about it.
Shit, bro.
Woo! I barely got out of there. Holy shit.
I got all 4 on me, and I'm dead again. Like, there's no fucking living. Fucking terrible.
Holy fuck.
Those guys were frying shit. Ah.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna probably fucking die, but whatever.
You in Storm?
Yeah, and they fucking just landed, but I got Vestmont's card.
Oh shit.
I guess.
There's one Higgs that's gonna be in circle way over here. Okay, hell yeah, Quick. That's what's up, man. Hey, good, man. It's Halloween today, so, you know, we chilling.
Damn it.
Fuck. They about to push you too, watch. Damn, there's still 10 people? We gotta, when we get a chance where we got to fucking third party that medallion team, we have to get them out of here.
Loot up quick.
Boys got it.
Yeah. I'm coming.
Quarter bunkers here.
Alright, bet.
They are. Minis on me.
Ah, fuck. I already took a half pot.
There's another half pot. Yeah, another half pot.
Alright. That medallion team is gonna push up on us very soon.
I got a rocket launcher.
Oh yeah, they're coming quick.
Let's take these cars. There's cars back here, Higgs. Oh,
He's one hit 130, bro.
Damn, man.
I don't really got no stress. I gotta drag
I
him
think
in.
you're cheating.
I gotta drag him into a fight.
You
Oh
hear that
my
email?
god.
Do you hear that? Peter Griffin laughing?
Oh my god.
Bro, I think they're hacked.
Oh
They're
my
hitting you
god.
dashing, bro, they are cheating.
Oh, for real? What the fuck?
They're hitting you dashing, bro. They're cheating.
Oh my
No way,
god, bro. That's wild. Hey, what's up, legend? Yes, sir, man. Always playing for it. Alright, guys. I appreciate y'all joining me, man.
Sir.
I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Alright.
Hey, appreciate all y'all that tuned in, man. Everybody that subbed and liked the stream and shit. You guys have a good Halloween. Enjoy it with your family, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Peace. Oh. I always try to land in this house.
Go on, go lay down.
Somebody's name is Squirrel Milk.
Yeah, that's definitely weird. glider is huge. We got bodies, bro. They're going to our house.
I'm going straight to it. I'm gonna be the first one there.
One down.
We definitely got one on the roof. This gotta be a bot.
Hitting these mini splits.
Oh my, bro, what the fuck? He got me.
Oh,